Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to discuss the fundamentals of men's personal care and provide you with some valuable tips to become stronger, more charismatic, and more confident. Let's dive in. Our first point is body language, which is a crucial part of effective communication and can have a significant impact when used correctly. Maintain good posture. Standing or sitting upright is important when communicating with others as it reflects your confidence and determination. Make eye contact. Establishing eye contact with the other person signifies intimacy and attention. Eye contact makes your communication stronger and more impactful. Give a firm handshake. A firm handshake demonstrates your confidence and respect for the other person. It's an important way to make a positive impression. Stay relaxed. Being relaxed while communicating with others allows you to act naturally and authentically. Avoid tension, and when you feel relaxed, others will find it easier to interact with you. Our second point is blood flow, which is essential for healthy skin and a vibrant appearance. Here are some ways to achieve this. Increase blood circulation. Boosting blood circulation in your face can give you a healthy glow. Engage in cardiovascular exercises regularly, especially in the morning. Cardio exercises for improved blood flow. Doing cardio exercises every morning enhances your blood circulation, resulting in a lively and radiant skin complexion. This contributes to an overall sense of well-being by fostering a healthy circulatory system. Exercise early in the day. Exercising early in the morning accelerates your metabolism and keeps your energy levels high throughout the day. It also enhances blood circulation, making your skin appear more vibrant and healthy. Our third point is improving your fashion, an integral part of personal grooming that can boost your confidence. Choose clothes that suit your body type. There are clothes suitable for every body type. Identify your body type and select clothes that flatter your physique, making you look stylish and attractive. Find your style. Determining your personal style is crucial. Identify the types of clothing you enjoy wearing and those that suit you best. Dressing in clothes that make you feel comfortable can boost your confidence. Color and outfit. Coordination. Coordinating colors and outfits harmoniously completes your style and helps you achieve a more professional look. Our final point is grooming, an essential aspect of men's personal care necessary for a good appearance. Get rid of neck beard. Removing neck hair is an important step towards achieving a clean and tidy appearance. Shave regularly and keep the neck area clean. Keep your nails short. Long nails give off an unkempt impression. Trim and keep your nails clean regularly. Skincare. Keeping your skin clean and moisturized is crucial for a healthy and radiant complexion. Follow a daily skincare routine to maintain clean skin. So there you have it, friends. In this video, we've covered the fundamental aspects of men's personal care. Remember, taking care of yourself not only enhances your external appearance, but also boosts your internal confidence. Until next time, take care and goodbye.